Corner is an app that helps at-home businesses and street vendors within LA get clients and make a consistent income.
This is our MVP, created to help at-home businesses and street vendors in LA have a stable income. We have 3 core features. The search bar is able to search for the vendors. The map will show you where you can find these vendors. And the back drawer has recommendation and the vendor's information. This simple 3-step design allows the users to easily find their nearest vendor. Our key partners are home-operated businesses and street vendors within our neighborhood in order to get the permission to display their location and information on our app. Our experience. As a group, we learn time management, collaboration, and communication. This helped us learn the dedication and hard work of a startup and has helped us grow as individuals.
Next Corner with 158K. So this is our winner for $4,000 in a grand prize. So again, thank you very much. We're so proud of everyone that performed. Again, the winners of the prize, speak to Roque or Oscar in regards to gaining your prize. Any of the winners, the boys, do you guys want to have a word or two to say about winning this amazing prize and your experience behind it?
Just thank you for allowing us to join the program. This program helped us better ourselves and become better people and help our communities.
So I think there was a lot that I really liked about the way you guys approached the solution. First of all, identifying the problem was immensely impactful. I think you guys did a very good job, not just in terms of identifying it from the perspective of the customer, which is fairly easy to do, but you also identified it from the side of the person selling and actually the merchant, which is very, very hard to do. I suspect that the fact that you guys were involved in a business similar to that greatly helped with that. The revenue model was the thing that did it for me. In a world where these are all small to medium-sized businesses, you're talking about acquisition being the biggest problem to solve for them. They have a really hard time spending to get new customers. And the fact that you guys made it variable, you made it easy, you almost incentivized the merchants to want this platform to work. And that's what great products do, is both the supply and demand are incented to make it work. So that's the reason why I felt very strongly about you guys. Well done.
Hi, my name is Daniel Mendoza, and I'm the developer.
Hi, my name is Edwin, and I'm the lead designer.
And we are the CO Lions. So the purpose of our game is to teach people what items should go into the appropriate bins. So for example, recycling bins, trash bins, or compost bins. So right here we have the code. So I commented everything, so it's easy reference to look back and implement it into the functions. So right here, for example, this is the animations. And then once you scroll down, I could go to the player function and then update the walk left, walk right animations. So, and then from there on, the game runs at the game intro screen. You could press play or help, and then you could exit. It won't click anywhere else too. And then if you play, the item will come down a conveyor belt and it will go down, up according to your player. And if you didn't make it or you incorrectly put it in the wrong bin, it's game over, and then it resets after 5 seconds. So it keeps the player engaged.
All right, in the homepage, which I created with only ellipses, I offered a luxurious interface with different shades of red and orange to symbolize vitality and the love that unites us to create a global effort to save our planet. Knowing what to throw out and whatever you reuse or recycle, we can help achieve this goal of reducing the massive amounts of compiling waste in our world today.
Today, our team worked on a project to target and address issues of gender inequality in our communities. As a team, we have realized that there's a need for more resources for women to be able to explore career opportunities that they may not have thought of before. We plan to address this by creating a website designed to empower and connect women to their undiscovered passions. Inspiration comes from everyone, not only leaders. Saying your story may inspire many to change who they are and what their thoughts should be. I created this platform that you may write in an expressive form.
On the survey section, me and David created a couple of questions, personal questions and personality questions to try to figure out what type of careers would fit people the best. All people have to do is fill out the questions and then we give them a suggestion on what career to fit them.
My favorite part of Saturday's event was the coding and the hacking itself, because it kind of helped us work together and we were able to collaborate to create a website that talked about a problem in the world.
I was more inspired to like code because not many people in my family know coding except like for my sister and one other cousin. And I want to learn more to like help people and gain more opportunities.
I think one of the big things I learned that day that I really wasn't expecting was a lesson about teamwork. I gotta say, I wasn't fully expecting to be able to come into a team of that size with those people, and then just having all their different perspectives and all their ideas, and then combining them into something that I hadn't even thought of before. It really taught me, I guess, on how to one be a member of a team, and work with a people that you've never met before. Sometimes you don't agree with, but also to be able to find your common ground, and stand together and work on something that can be really helpful.
I think the biggest impact it has on the students, honestly, is just confidence. It was a lot of just them kind of, at the beginning, they were kind of shy, and then getting used to it, and then presenting their ideas and presenting them with confidence and having somebody listen to them, like somebody in the industry. I think that's pretty cool. And you could see them get excited and just get more confident in their concept. And it helps them work together and put together some really good ideas. But I think that's the greatest thing about this project.